Welcome back, gardeners. Today we'll be focusing on how to manage common pests and diseases that can affect your pepper plants. We'll explore effective organic solutions to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Peppers can attract several pests, including aphids, spider mites, and caterpillars. These tiny invaders can cause significant damage to your pepper plants if not managed properly. Aphids suck the sap from the leaves, spider mites create webbing and yellow spots, and caterpillars chew through the foliage. To manage these pests organically, you can use insecticidal soap. This method is effective in controlling soft-bodied insects like aphids and spider mites by disrupting their cell membranes. Another organic option is neem oil, which targets the pests without harming beneficial insects. Neem oil works by interfering with the pests' hormonal systems, making it harder for them to grow and reproduce. Another great solution is to introduce natural predators like ladybugs. Ladybugs are voracious eaters of aphids and can significantly reduce their numbers. By encouraging these beneficial insects in your garden, you can keep the pest population in check naturally. This method not only helps in maintaining a healthy garden ecosystem, but also reduces the need for chemical interventions. Common diseases that affect peppers include bacterial leaf spot, powdery mildew, and root rot. These diseases can severely impact the health and yield of your pepper plants if not managed properly. Bacterial leaf spot causes dark, water-soaked spots on leaves, while powdery mildew appears as a white, powdery coating on the foliage. Root rot, on the other hand, leads to wilting and yellowing of the plant. Prevent these diseases by maintaining proper spacing for airflow, which helps to reduce humidity around the plants and minimizes the risk of fungal infections. Proper spacing also ensures that each plant gets enough sunlight, which is crucial for healthy growth. Watering at the base to avoid wetting the leaves is another effective strategy. Wet leaves can create a breeding ground for pathogens. Additionally, consider using disease-resistant varieties, which are bred to withstand common diseases and can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. If you notice signs of disease, remove affected leaves immediately to prevent the spread of the infection. Regularly inspect your plants for any symptoms and act quickly. Apply organic treatments like copper fungicide, which is effective against a range of fungal diseases. Copper fungicide can be a valuable tool in your disease management arsenal. Alternatively, you can use a homemade baking soda solution. This natural remedy can help control fungal diseases and is a safer option for organic gardening. Mix baking soda with water and a bit of liquid soap for an effective spray. To prevent both pests and diseases, practice crop rotation and keep your garden clean of debris. Adding mulch can help reduce pests, while companion planting with herbs like basil and marigolds can naturally repel insects. With these organic management techniques, you'll keep your pepper plants healthy and productive throughout the growing season. By using natural pest control methods, you not only protect your plants but also contribute to a healthier environment. Remember, a thriving garden starts with mindful practices. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing! We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more insights with you. Keep nurturing your green space.